Hey howdy, this is Chad with the northernsurvivalist.com. Today is a rainy day on July 19th, about noon in the afternoon. Got a fire going over there, and I found some trash on the side of the road. I don't drink this type of beer, but I got my Condor bush lore knife, and let's cut off the top of this. I'm going to make this into something I can boil water with. Alright. Okay. I just hope this doesn't have any holes. Okay, so far so good. Let's take this over here. Let's find a good spot where it's not gonna tip over. Here, set it here for a moment. Clear a spot right in here. I should get going pretty quick. And what I'm out here doing is I'm caching some stuff. I hiked about 7 miles up from the bus stop. Dropped off about 30 pounds of food. And yeah. Man. So I'm just basically, the bus leaves at about 4 in the afternoon going back to Eugene and you know, and then tomorrow I'm checking out of the hostel and coming back to this area, and I'm gonna research a good place to go camp. It's near a water source. Of course, a lot of this here moss, I wouldn't doubt it if you could bring a lot of water out of that. And these tree branches get water out of, or just fill the water bottles before I come out here. So I'm going to pay attention to this, make sure it doesn't tip. It's in there pretty, whoa. Okay. It's coming about, so. Get that going, and I got some dehydrated beans I'm going to heat up. Okay. As you can see, just in the short time it's been in there, there's already bubbles coming up the side. And now, I'm sure it's going to be fast to boil, but aluminum doesn't retain heat. So for what it's worth, it will serve the purpose. All right. And well, that's about it, really. I'm just gonna rehydrate some food and have a little hot meal. Thank you for watching. Check out my blog, thenorthernsurvivalist.com. Thanks, and over and out.